You know you're done. So that all that and of course our this way they move out. This way they get. I don't think you're not going to get anything. Huh?
They had their peace. This morning up to this evening.
Dami kan ló bá mi try lẹ́nu ìwé so kí mi next time nígbà kó fún sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́.
Wọ́n kò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣé kí máa yà nǹkan kan ni? Ṣé kí máa yà nǹkan kan ni à? Ṣé kí mi náà máa yà nǹkan kan ni?
Our position that our courts have no business in meddling into matters that are purely political. These are matters that should be left to the internal affairs and internal resolution of the political matters. We have asked our lawyers to collect the certified true copies of the judgments that have been delivered by the court. The court had promised that the judgments should be ready by tomorrow. So as soon as the judgments are received by our lawyers, they will advise us on what further necessary steps to take, if any, on the basis of such judgment. So unless that is done for now, I will say thank you very much.